today is a huge day on my YouTube journey. I am so excited because I got my official YouTube pin right here. It's in this envelope, and this little envelope is the final step before you actually start getting and withdrawing your money from YouTube. And I'm not just celebrating, because you're going to come along the journey with me and I'll show you how to do it. If you got your pin before, kudos to you. Make a comment in the comment section below. If not, I'll show you how to do it before you even get there. And this pin, what YouTube does is to verify your address to know that you're a real person. So what they'll do, they'll send you the PIN number to your mailbox or wherever you pick up your physical mail. So I collected mine at the post office. And it takes between 2 to 3 weeks, I guess, depending on where you live. But officially, YouTube says 2 to 3 weeks. And I got mine within a month. Went to the post office, pick it up. And now we're here, so come along with me. As I said before, I'll take you on the journey. I'll share my screen and we'll do it together. So it says sign into your AdSense account, or for your YouTube account, you go to payments, verify the check, the PIN, enter your PIN number and click submit. So this is your AdSense PIN. So we're going to go over to the screen now and do that. So now you have to sign into Google AdSense page, and I sign into Google AdSense there. And here it says you need to verify your address. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to verify my address here. So I'm going to take actions here. And it says verify your identity, identify. Okay, so my identity is verified. So you have to upload your ID to confirm all of that, which you've done previously. And now I'm going to verify the PIN. So it says enter the 6-digit verification PIN. So that's what we're going to do. So we've entered the PIN, and there the verification address is complete. So the PIN is here. You insert the PIN, verify the PIN, and that's been completed. Awesome. So now to start earning, you need to add payments to it. AdSense. Also, you have to add a payment so that they can pay you. So how to get paid, you add your payment method, how you want to receive your money right here. So you can receive your money via wire transfer or by check. So I'll add the wire transfer details. So you want the name of the bank. So my YouTube paycheck is on the way. So remember, every upload, every video will take you closer to the goal that you want. So keep grinding, keep watching, keep putting in the work, record those videos, upload those videos. And if you find this video helpful, remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button below, and leave a comment in the comment section. I know I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers. That's my next goal to meet. So if you want to be a part of the family, continue to come back here, keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a part of my journey. See you in the next video. Bye.